Hello everyone, welcome back. So I attempted Simcat 7 mock today and scored 51 marks in it. 15 marks in VARC, 12 marks in DLR and 24 marks in quants. So let's analyze the paper. So in VARC, VA questions were like very lengthy. It was like 15-20 lines of para completion, and para jumbles were also very tricky. Like it consumed a lot of time, so VA part was very difficult. This is what I think. So I only attempted 4 or 5 questions something from there. And talking about the RCs, I found one RC to be very difficult and the remaining 3 were like medium to difficult. Nothing easy, but nothing very difficult also, but still I was only able to attempt only 2 RCs, and in that also I skipped one question from each of the RC. So one question from RC2 and one question from RC4th. So yeah, I only scored 15 marks, which is really poor. So I'm working on it, so let's see what happens. I think I will change my strategy from now on. In Simcat 8 and the career launchers like Flexi 9 mock, I will attempt 2 RCs and 5 VA questions and try this strategy. Let's see if my accuracy goes up, because initially my accuracy was very good, but as and when the difficulty of the paper increased, my accuracy went down and score also went really bad. So 15 marks in VRC. I found VRC's VA part to be very difficult and RC to be medium to difficult. So let's talk about DILR now. So in DILR, I found 2 sets to be doable, in which one set was very easy, like I did that in like 12 minutes, but the other sets were very lengthy. So out of 4 sets, one set was very easy and one set was of medium difficulty, and the other 2 sets were very lengthy. They were also doable but very time consuming. So I attempted the easiest set and did all the 4 questions and got all 4 correct, and I got the second set like entirely wrong. I mean, I attempted 3 questions out of 5 from that set, but the set contained questions like maximum, minimum, possible, so I might have messed up there. So only 12 marks. I was expecting somewhere around 21 marks or 18 marks, but 12 marks means that I got one set incorrect. So yeah, 12 marks in DILR. It was of medium difficulty, and I know that 2 sets were doable. So unfortunately I scored only 12 marks, which is one set correct. So yeah, this was DILR. Now let's talk about quants. So in quants, it was really amazing paper. Like the quality of questions were outstanding. The questions were not straightforward. Like I only found 1 or 2 free questions. Like for example, I was able to solve one inequality modulus question and one more question under 2 minutes, I guess. But the remaining questions I took almost like 6 minutes for one question and 4 minutes for like the remaining questions. So yeah, it was not easy or medium also. I would consider it a difficult section for this paper. Like quants was on a difficult side. So but I scored 24 marks there. I got one guess right, so my potential was of 21 marks, but still that guess was not just a random guess. I made cases, and then out of the 2 I marked one answer, so that got correct. So 24 marks in quants. My performance in quants was really good in this paper. In DILR I should have scored like 18 marks minimum, but that was also not up to the mark. And in VRC it's really bad, like 15 marks is nothing. So yeah, let's see. I will appear for Simcat 8 and CDC Flexi 9 mock in the upcoming days. Like after like 4 to 5 days, I think Flexi 9 will come out, and after like a week Simcat 8 will also come out. So I will appear for 2 mocks, and it will be enough for this month. And my target is to like score 25 marks bare minimum in VRC section and at least 1.5 sets. For example, like I want 25 marks in VRC, 18 marks in DLR, and about 20 marks in quant section. This is the bare minimum target I have set for the two mocks, like Simcat 8 and the CDC Flexi 9. So yeah, let's see what happens. Thank you for watching.